Hey there, welcome to our channel Gadget Grasp. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can win the stickers on Monopoly Go. Simply you need to open Monopoly Go, and in order to get stickers on the Monopoly Go, you simply need to win the tournaments on the Monopoly Go. Win the cash like this. Top left corner you can see that I have been raised to the 19 levels on the Monopoly Go by playing and winning the tournaments and building on the Monopoly Go. So how you can get the stickers is simply you need to play this game. For example, let me show you. Select any one of it like this, and from now you have collected 1500. So tap on collect. So this reward will be added here on the top left of the screen. You can see next to the level that it has been reached to 8920. On the bottom of the screen you can see the build option. Tap on build, and now you can construct with that using that amount. Suppose I have selected this one, and so this will upgrade my level one by one. So I have raised to 21 level. In this way you can easily upgrade your levels on Monopoly Go, and I have reached to 25 level here. So tap on collect. So in this way you can play and win tournaments, and you can easily collect the rewards and win the stickers also. So in order to get the stickers you need to reach the 15th level on this Monopoly Go and win the stickers. If you like this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.